That's Black Ops and Triple A Productions with stuff to do in Minecraft. Now my screen for a second. Today I'm going to show you how to farm potatoes and carrots. This one was really hard to figure out. So you don't actually use seeds, which is what troubled me. You actually plant the potato in the ground. Oh look, they immediately grew. How lucky is that? Same with carrots. You literally just plant them in the ground. Isn't that just amazing? How you get them in the first place, you get them from villages. You get them in immediately growing. But you get them from villages. Usually they're already growing in villages and you can just take them and, grow your own for millions of years. And, just repetitively stack up on them. Well, pretty short video. So yeah, that's how you grow potatoes. And to bake potatoes, you bake potatoes. You put it in the furnace, you put in a coal, and then you wait for it, and then a baked potato. Now, I know you can't do it, but I'm going to try and bake a carrot. See, can't make a carrot. If I wasn't creative, I'd eat this. It's so delicious. Well, that's all for today. This has been Black Ops and Triple A.